Zimbabwe has handed over the chairmanship of the Southern African Development Community SADC Council of Ministers to Madagascar, marking the end of its term at the helm of the Regional Policy Making Board. Sanabira mashoko buda pangwa inoi. Chanaonzi awa Mnangagwa hands over power. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina unamuda nyukomchinzi. The council is meeting from 12 to 14 August 2025 in Antananarivo, Madagascar, to deliberate on programs and policies aimed at deepening regional integration, strengthening peace and security, and driving economic growth. The gathering sets the stage for the 45th SADC Summit of Heads of State and Government, 17 August, where a final decision will be endorsed. This year's summit theme is Advancing Industrialization, Agricultural Transformation, and Energy Transition for the Resilient SADC. Zimbabwe's Minister of International Relations and Trade, Ambon Muwira, formerly passed the chairmanship to Madagascar's Foreign Affairs Minister, Rafara Vatafika Rasata, during a ceremony on Tuesday. Over the 3-day session, ministers are reviewing progress on the SADC Regional Indicative Strategic Development Plan 2020 to 2030, assessing institutional reports and taking key decisions on industrialization infrastructure, food security, energy and peace in the region. Muwira urged member states to accelerate the ratification and implementation of SADC protocols and agreements, warning that delays undermine the bloc's shared vision. Muwira commended Rasata's appointment, pledged Zimbabwe's full support, and encouraged other member states to rally behind Madagascar's leadership. In her acceptance remarks, Rasata thanked SADC members for their trust and pledged to prioritize the inclusion of islands, states, and the regional agenda. The Council's resolution will feed into the 45th SADC Summit, where regional leaders are expected to map out strategies for a stronger, more united, prosperous Southern Africa. Ndo mashoka alipopangwa ino itize mafunzo enyu moti kudi how was your experience President Idi Mnangagwa is the chairman. Tuze mafunzo enyu ina comment section medu, so subscribe or like and turn the bell icon.